Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the AutoZonePro app is worth using in 2025. This mobile tool is designed for AutoZone commercial customers and mechanics, offering VIN and license plate decoding, parts lookup, ordering, inventory viewing, and account management features. But it earns mixed reviews because while the app can be helpful when it works, AutoZone Pro syncs vehicles with desktop accounts and sometimes speeds up part ordering. Users consistently report issues like slow page loads, lost carts, disappearing items, vehicle mismatches, frequent crashes, and needing to log out and log back in each day just to make it usable. Reviews on Google Play rate it around 4.6 stars, but many mechanics call it laggy, buggy, or garbage, and a Reddit thread describes it as a pain in the ass that struggles to function reliably. On iOS, it fares slightly better at 4.8 stars, but still with pricing mismatches, cart ditches, and inconsistent ordering results, with users warning it's convenient only when it doesn't break. So if you're a pro needing quick vehicle identification, AutoZone Pro may sometimes help, but don't rely on it fully. Many users still prefer the web platform or calling their rep to avoid the headaches. If this helped you out, hit like. Drop your experience in the comments. Does it boost workflow or waste your time? Hit subscribe for more real app breakdowns.